Introducing the Enphase IQ9N Commercial Microinverter for 480-volt three-phase systems. The IQ9N microinverter is powered by cutting-edge GaN technology that is made in America. It delivers unmatched efficiency and reliance against grid fluctuation, and it sets a new standard for performance and reliability. The pre-installed mounting bracket allows the IQ9N 3P to attach to any rail-based system. The MC4 connections are integrated directly into the microinverter, allowing for seamless plug-and-play connectivity with the solar module. The LED indicator for the IQ9N 3P commercial microinverter tells you the operational status for that microinverter. Connect the AC output directly into the 4-pin phase balancing Enphase QD cable. The American flag symbol indicates that it is made in America. This all comes in an enclosure that is Class 2 double insulated, corrosion-resistant polymer designed for outdoor use in wet locations, meeting NEMA Type 6 standards. Let's take a deeper dive at some of the other IQ9N 3P specifications. It comes with a 25-year warranty. It does operate on 277 480-volt three-phase systems. It is typically paired with modules ranging from 340 watts up to 600 watts. It has a peak power output of 427 volt amps. You can put 30 IQ9N 3P microinverters per 20 amp 480 volt circuit. It has loss of phase and phase balancing built in, as well as rapid shutdown. It has a plug-and-play installation with the dedicated 3-phase QD cabling system. And it can operate in a wide range of temperatures from -40 to 149 degrees. This product is made in America and does qualify for domestic content and ITC with fiat compliance. The IQ9N 3P uses the same phase rotating QD cable, accessories, and software as the IQ8P 3P commercial microinverter. This means that if you've already installed the IQ8P 3P commercial microinverter, you can easily install the IQ9N 3P. There's also a brand new gateway that will communicate with the commercial microinverters. Introducing the IQ Gateway Commercial Pro. The IQ Gateway Commercial Pro operates on both 208 and 480 volt three-phase systems. It provides web-based monitoring and control of all the microinverters. It includes 3 400 amp revenue-grade production CTs. It allows for bidirectional communication to support power export limiting and zero export applications. It is easily set up using the Enphase Installer app, and it allows for easy flexibility for connectivity using Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or cellular. It is compatible with both the IQ8P and IQ9N commercial microinverters. It is also backed by an industry-leading 15-year warranty. If you would like to learn more about the IQ9N 3P or the IQ Gateway Commercial Pro, please contact your Enphase sales representative or reach out to commercial sales at enphaseenergy.com.